Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we're going to go ahead and continue from where we stopped in the last one, and in this one we're going to go ahead and start listing out the followers that we've got and the following and the post counts. So we are literally going to be tracking all our posts, all our followers, and the following, and actually just display it on our profile page. So that's it. Let's go ahead and get started. Don't forget to drop a like and also to consider subscribing. It really helps my channel grow. Let's go ahead and get started. So what we need to do is head over to I'm gonna just get rid of most of the tabs. I've got a lot over here already. So in the user art, I'm gonna open up views.py, and this is where we need to list all those things out. Okay, so just below the else, I'm gonna make a comment, and we should just name this something like tracking profile stats, something like that. And let's actually start from, let's see our models.py for the posts. Okay, we've got follow and following, so we need to import it over here. I'm gonna say from post.models import that, and also import follow, and also import, yeah, that should be it. That should just be it. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is define a post count. So we need to count the posts, and this is simply going to be set to posts.objects.filter, like that. And we want to count the post of the user that's logged in. Then we're going to say dot count. It's a method, just like that. Okay, hopefully you guys understand what's going on. So it's post count, so we need to add it in here. Copy this, put it in there like that. And we also need to count following, the people that we are following. So we need to say following underscore count should be equal to what? It should be equal to followers.objects.filter by following should be equal to user. Okay, hopefully you understand. So I'm gonna get rid of this. Follower.objects, not comma objects, .objects.filter. Now we want to filter by follower should be equal to us. So what we're trying to do now is count how many people we are following, and we are filtering it by follower by us. So the people we are following, this is just how it's done. Then we're gonna add a count method to this. We also need to check followers. So followers count, it's exactly gonna be the same thing apart from the fact that this is gonna be following, just like that. So let's pass the all in here, pass that in there, and also pass this in there. Okay, so with this now, let's go ahead and list it out in our template, and hopefully everything works out fine as expected. Okay, in the profile.html, let's locate where we've got the number of followers and following. This is it over here. So for the post, I'm gonna say post underscore count. Refresh. What do you notice? We've got 8 posts, and when we count it, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 posts. Okay, how about for the followers? I'm gonna come over here and get rid of this, and I'm gonna say followers underscore count, and I don't think we've got any followers, so that's it. How about following? So we need to say following dot counts. So we are following 2 people and no one is following us. So how about we try making someone follow us, and let's see what we've got. Okay, so for the follow, I'm going to create a new follow instance, and the follower should be Karen. She should be following Destiny, and I'm going to save this. Okay, this isn't working yet, so let's see. Let's add a new object. Follower should be Destiny, following Destiny, save. Okay, I know this is not the right way to even do this. I think we are gonna actually make it even more better, because right now we are trying to manually pass it in from the database, and that's not like something we should do, we should just click on the button, then it pops up over here. So as you can see, now we have 3 following. That's because I made destiny follow destiny. Hopefully you understand. This one over here, I can just delete it and you'd see what's gonna happen. Okay, it's now 2. So hopefully you understand. Let's actually see if we can make Rex follow destiny. Save. Okay, nothing's showing up. Let's see. I hope followers. Okay, yeah, that was the error. Now it's working. So you see we've got 4 followers right now. Okay, I think that should be it. We have 4 followers to following 8 posts. How about we try creating a new post? What's gonna happen? So we say post / new post, and let's say we just want to post my setup, and I'm gonna name this my workspace, something like that, and I'm gonna say coding destiny fix workspace, whatever, and I'm gonna post this. Okay, what do you notice? Now this is my workspace. So we can actually like this. Okay, not from here. We can save this, and let me try heading back here. What do you notice? We have it over here, and we have 9 posts. Okay, it's dynamic and it's working pretty well. So I think that should be it for this video. Okay, so one more thing that I would want to do before I go ahead and cut off this video is this. If I am the one that owns this profile, I don't want to see the function to follow myself or unfollow myself, or even message. If this is my profile, all I want to see is edit profile, or else I won't see the edit profile, then I'll say this. But before I do this, I want to go ahead and add a new profile for Karen, and her name is going to be Karen Balder. Location should be Nigeria. URL should be whatever. Bio should be, this is way too long, let me just get rid of this. Bio should be graphics designer. Her profile picture should be not mine, something else maybe. Let's say this, then save. Something is wrong. Let's add that. Okay. So in the upcoming videos, we're gonna create a function that when we create a user, it's automatically gonna create a profile for them. But for now, let's just keep doing it this way. So if I come over to /Karen with an uppercase K, it says the image attribute has no file associated with it. Okay, now what's the problem? It's just because over here we have no image, so we need to add in an image and save this. Refresh. Now we've got Karen. Karen have just got 1 post, 1 follower, 2 following, and everything is listed out here. So this is not my profile. This is Karen's profile, but why am I seeing the option to edit her profile? That's not what I want. So let's go ahead and fix that. In the profile, we have this edit profile function over here. Let me go ahead and remove the wardrobe. So this is the edit profile. Now what I want to do is quite easy. I'm simply gonna say if profile.user is equal to request.user. So if the owner of this profile is the user that's logged in, then we simply want to show them the edit button. So we're gonna say end if. So what do you notice? The edit button is gone. Well, how about I want to go to Destiny's profile? What do you notice? The edit button is still there, and that's because I am the owner of this profile. I'll be able to edit my profile, but I am not the owner of Karen's profile, so I won't be able to edit her profile. Okay, hopefully you understand. Now the next thing we want to work on is the follow button. So since I'm logged in, there is no need for me to follow myself. So I need to get rid of the follow button, the unfollow button, and the message. So hopefully you understand what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm just gonna come over here and put this in, and if the profile, the logged in user is this, then I don't want to see the follow, unfollow, and message. I'm also gonna come over here and I'm gonna add an end if. Okay, refresh. Okay, this is not what I want. So if the profile.user is not equal to request.user, okay, this is what I want. So I'll be able to unfollow Karen, follow her, and message her, but I won't be able to do that myself. I'll be able to just edit my profile. Okay, so as you can see, everything is coming in and looking good. I think we're gonna end it off here in this video. And the next one, we're gonna go ahead and start working with the follow function. So when I click on follow, I can follow Karen, and when I click on unfollow, I can unfollow Karen. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and learned something new, and if you did, do not forget to drop a like and consider subscribing, as it will mean the world to me. I hope I'll see you guys in the next video. My love, peace out.